Good boy. That was a good bite. Wait until she swallows.
Nice.
Oh, oh. Good. Good job, guys. Is brother feeding you?
Nice. Good job. I think her loves this.
Yeah, I think so too. Ooh.
Oh.
Careful, don't jab it so far into her mouth. Oh, she's sad. You gotta be careful. It's okay. You gotta do it gentle. Well, you gotta scoop it off into her mouth, man. Scoop it on the top of her. She's not getting any.
Yum. This is good.
Just let her lick it off like a kitty cat. Kidding. Put it in her mouth. Just don't jab it in her mouth so far.
Yum.
Do you want me to take over? Yeah?
Stand on the stool.
Give me a thumbs up. Good job. You fed her?
Yep.
Good job. Thank you.